All right, let's show you what's going on outside. As we look towards Chula Vista, you can see the marine layer down below pretty abundantly this morning. And I am watching for the potential for some fog. Coronado visibility is around 4 miles, and about an hour and a half ago, Imperial Beach visibility was down to about 1.5 miles. So there may be some pockets as you're heading in, but most of it is off of the ground. So that is some good news for your commute. So we are tracking one storm today and then the next one, but those ones are going to be staying to the north of us. We're going to be on the very tail end of the cold front. You're going to notice the drop in temperatures today. Most of the county 10 to 20 degrees cooler than just yesterday. And we will see a deeper marine layer tonight into tomorrow, bringing a chance for a little bit of drizzle, maybe a few light showers overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and then we'll be drying out into the afternoon. By no means a washout, but you may run into some wet roads, especially your morning commute tomorrow. And that deeper marine layer and cooler temperatures is going to be with us for the majority of this week, with more chances for a little light rain ahead Thursday and then again on Friday, mostly in the overnight and morning hours. So temperatures are going to be in the mid 60s through Saturday, 70s Sunday, and then 80s on Monday. So we're going to, just like we turned the switch pretty quickly from our 80s and 70s and close to 90-degree temperatures yesterday into the 60s today, we're going to do the same Sunday into Monday. So 60s the majority of the week inland, 70s, and then near 90 degrees by Monday. Our mountain areas will be in the 50s through Friday, 60s, and then 70s as we head into the end of the week and into next week, with 70s and 80s out in the deserts.